Hey everyone, I'm not sure what's going on with the camera here. I think it's because I have black down on my canvas. So hopefully when I start pouring, it won't be so bright. I tried doing this and bringing it down to refocus, but it's just not working. So I'm going to do a bottle bottom pour. This is an 18 by 24 canvas. And I'm only going to do 2 flowers. So one there and one there. And I'm just going to be using colors that I'm comfortable with. And we were going to go ahead and get this started. I did spray the cups just a tiny little bit to get all the paint out. So I'm going to start with white. And then we're going to add peacock pearl. I don't even know if you guys can see my cups. I'm sorry. My goodness. But I can show you up close, I guess, if it's going to let me. So I'm just squirting it on the side so you get the gist of how I put it in the cup. Okay, then we want some sea mist pearl, which is from Craftsmart. Same thing, side of the cup. And then we need Artist Loft Cobalt Blue Hue Metallic, if I can find it. Oh my goodness. Oh, right in front of me. Too many colors. And these do have silicone in them. Ooh, almost dropped the cup. That would have been horrible. Okay. And then we want the Grumbacher light blue. I don't know why the lighting is off. I really don't. I've never had that happen before. So now I'm going to go ahead and add a little black. And a tiny bit of white. And some more peacock pearl. It's kind of my go-to color. And to finish it off, I was going to use Prussian blue, like I normally do. But I think I want to put in the Soho Phthalo green blue. So it's got just a little bit of edging that's not the same as the other blues and turquoises in there. I think that should be plenty of paint, for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and tip those cups. I better put some gloves on. I already have black paint under my fingernails. That's gonna drive me nuts. But I want to pull this canvas back too. I'm so sorry, guys. I really thought I had this all figured out. And I have to film this tonight because I don't have time to do it tomorrow, so. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pinch that cup as well. So they're ready to go. I'm going to move that back. That's going to make it worse. Ooh, Let's see if we've got paint down if it changes. So this is just a dirty pour. Maybe after I'm done filming, I can pull the camera down and give you a close-up. But it could just be my monitor too acting up, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to go ahead and play along and say, I'm sorry already. Now, I had an other canvas that had some issues, and I did 3 of these on there. I didn't use quite as much paint, though. And I love it with the 3, but oh, it was so hard to tilt. So this will be much easier. And if you guys want to try it, I know it'll be easier for you. So I'm going to go pull this one off. And some of your paint will go underneath there, and you can see how the paint pushes the tops, or the bottoms, I mean. Yeah, tops, that'll work. I got you all confused. Well, now you can see. That's better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull some in. You don't have to do this. I just do it because I like the look. My canvas is nice and tight. There. This is when you can monkey with your center, because it's going to stretch out, so get your little design in there while you can. I like to pull that white in. Alright, let's start tilting. I'm probably going to work on this one first because this one's so close to the edge. Maybe not. And I don't care if they go over a little bit, so this is abstract art. I'm just rolling them right now to get the paint flowing together. And then I'll bring them back. So let's see what happens if I push. So this one should come over the edge. I think what I want to do, and I want to try it, so don't be hating on me when I say this, I think I want to try to airbrush the edges out a little bit, because I want that filigree look. Of course, this flower on the bottom here did not play well. So let me do that. Don't scream at me. I can't hear you anyway. Okay, So I haven't done this yet with a flower painting, but I want to give it a shot. So I do have some colors there. I'm just giving it a push, that's all. Because I don't like anything perfect. That's probably why I like abstract art. And I can never leave anything alone. You already know that. Because we're going to move it a little bit more yet. So this here, I'm going to have to be careful. There's a lot of paint set in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I love this flower here. So what I'm going to do is push this one because I need to get some of that paint out of there. And then I'll pull it back. Okay, that's all the farther I think I can go without losing. And I need to work on this just a little bit more, but I think what I'm going to do is do it with a skewer. We'll try it and see. Just to fan it out just a little bit. Better. To me, it's better. You guys are all screaming at me. I can hear you already. Leave it alone. Okay. Now, I need to put a tiny bit of black there. Do I want black or do I want white? Or do I want to wait till it dries and then add dots? You know what, guys? I think I'm going to leave it just the way it is. And if it doesn't dry the way that I want it to, then I can add some dots. I kind of like this, but it still needs a center. But like I said, it's abstract art, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe button and hit that little button next to it when it says that it's got the little bell. It doesn't say anything. Click like and share. Leave a comment. And join me on Facebook. And check out my links below for the Amazon shop. And for my Facebook page and for my Etsy shop where you can purchase my paintings. I also have a PayPal link if you want to be a sponsor. We will be doing sponsor giveaways starting in August. Going to be something very special for my sponsors. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this now. I would have been happy with just one flower. But I gotta get this paper towel out of there so it doesn't pull any paint off. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. You can go ahead and yell at me. I don't care. I can take it. I got big shoulders. But I will see you all on the next one. And don't forget, Monday nights, we're live at 9 p.m. Eastern Time, USA. So thanks for coming, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.